Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the syllabus for periodic 2 for term 2, minerals and energy resources, lesson 5, page 50 and 51. Our first topic is there. We use different things in our daily life made out of minerals. Can you name some of them? It is gas cylinder, gas oven, bicycle, ceiling fan, car, bus, train, utensils. Any maximum materials they are being made out of metals. They are being used in our day-to-day life. They are being made out of minerals only. Variety of minerals are there for producing variety of things. It is iron ore is used for making steel, copper, aluminium, etc. Next part is there, where do these metals come from? These metals are obtained from the minerals which are embedded in the earth, and after refining we are obtaining these, after refinement we are obtaining these minerals there, pure mineral. Okay, otherwise these minerals are existing along with the variety of impurities. Next is their minerals. Question 3. Minerals are indispensable part of our lives. Explain any 5 points. This is the question there. They are indispensable. Indispensable means inseparable. They are strongly the part of our life. How can we prove that? Okay, I know that 5 marks question will not come in your exam, but in the MCQ type they will give you any 4 option, and you have to select which one is the wrong one, which one is the incorrect one. So in this way you can write it there. From a tiny pin to a towering building, World Trade Center, or a big ship, all are made out of minerals. The railway lines, spot, steel, used for making the railway tracks. The tarmac, paving of the roads, जिसको हम we are saying alcatra and other things. Our implements, utensils, machines, machineries too are made of minerals. Car, buses, trains, they are using steel. Aeroplane using the alloy of aluminium and steel. Steel is also been used in aeroplane little bit, but mainly the alloy of aluminium are used for manufacturing the vehicles. They are been obtained from minerals, and these transport vehicles and planes, they are run off on power resources derived from the earth, that is petrol, diesel. Nowadays we know it's CNG, compressed natural gas. They are being obtained from the earth only in the form of fossil fuels. Next, even the food that we eat contain minerals. The food that we eat contains minerals. Human beings have used minerals for their livelihood, decoration, festivities. Decoration in the sense rangoli making, festivities we are celebrating Holi with colors, religious and ceremonial activities we are using various minerals. Then mention the minerals used for producing the toothpaste. Everybody is using toothpaste early in the morning, maybe Colgate, maybe Sibaka, whatever is there. Generally, all the toothpastes are containing these minerals. Okay. One is the abrasive minerals like silica, limestone, aluminium oxide, various phosphate minerals do the cleaning. Means when we are using the paste on our brush and using over our teeth, so they are removing the unwanted materials, that is abrasive mineral, because that process is known as abrasion, removal of the layer of the unwanted material. Okay, when we are using the food and other commodities, so some of the particles are getting stuck to the upper layer of the teeth. That is been removed, that is called abrasion. And for abrasion we are using silica, limestone and aluminum oxide. Fluoride is used to reduce cavities, comes from the mineral fluorite. Cavities, you know, हिंदी में टूथपेस्ट के ऐड में देखते हो दांतों में खड्डे. What is this खड्डे? When we are using too much sweets, it is developing cavities on our teeth and finally it is damaging our teeth. So that cavity is been stopped by using the mineral fluoride. Next, most of the toothpaste are made with titanium oxide, which comes from the minerals called rutile, ilmenite and anatase. Okay, titanium oxide is been added in the toothpaste, okay, to give the other special quality to the toothpaste there. Next, the sparkle in the toothpaste comes from mica. दांतों में चमक बोलते हैं ना, दांत मोतियों जैसे चमक रहे हैं. एक बबल गम का भी ऐड देता है हैप्पीडेंट कि जितने लोग चबा रहे हैं उतने लोग बिल्डिंग में लाइट जला दे रहे हैं लेडी बल्ब के तरह. तो वो जो चमक आ रहा है, स्पार्कल विच इज़ कमिंग देयर, दैट इज़ बीन ऑब्टेन्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइका. The toothbrush and the tube containing the paste are made up of plastics which comes from petroleum. So these are the various minerals used for the production of toothpaste and toothpaste related commodities. Where are these minerals found? These minerals are obtained from the rocks. They are embedded in the earth. Next, how many minerals are used to make a bulb, electric bulb, old electric bulb? आज के डेट वाला वो एलईडी बल्ब, ये बल्ब की बात नहीं हो रही, जनरल ट्रेडिशनल इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब की बात हो रही. कंपोनेंट्स यूज्ड इन द बल्ब, मिनरल्स. ग्लास, दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ सिलिका, सिलिकॉन जो भी बोलो. फिलामेंट ऑफ द बल्ब, जो दो प्रॉड्स है उसके बीच में जो तार लटकता रहता बल्ब में, दैट दीज प्रॉड्स, दीज आर कॉल्ड प्रॉड्स. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ, द फिलामेंट इज मेड अप ऑफ टंगस्टन and these prods which are holding the filament is made up of aluminium. बल्ब के जो ऊपर वाला कैप जो होल्डर में लटकता था, ऊपर वाला जो गोल वाला, that is also made up of aluminium. अच्छा, in between the upper point of the bulb, black or brown material is being used, that is varnish, insulator material, varnish. Inside the bulb, inert gas is being filled. Organ gas or neon gas has been filled, which is helping the bulb to get lighted. क्योंकि जैसे prods के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट दौड़ेंगे तो फिलामेंट ग्लो करेगा. And when the gas is been available inside the bulb, then only the filament is getting lighted and that is liberating light and thus the bulb is giving us the light there. अगर उसमें गैस नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर वो बल्ब भी नहीं जलेगा. करंट पास हो जाएगा लेकिन जलेगा नहीं. नेक्स्ट इज देयर ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स नीड मिनरल्स. एक्सप्लेन. लाइफ प्रोसेस कैन नॉट ऑकर विदाउट मिनरल्स. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी कंपल्सरी. सेकेंड, ऑल्दो आवर मिनरल इनटेक रिप्रेजेंट ओनली अबाउट 0.3% ऑफ द टोटल इनटेक ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. मीन्स जितने हम लोग टोटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं उसका केवल 3% ही, 0.3% ही हम लोग को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. नंबर सी, दे आर सो पोटेंट एंड सो इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट विदाउट देम वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू यूटिलाइज द रेस्ट ऑफ द 99.7% ऑफ फूड स्टफ्स. लाइक एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल हम दे रहे हैं कि वी आर कुकिंग आवर फूड एंड इन दैट वी आर एडिंग कॉमन सॉल्ट, चुटकी भर नमक थोड़ा सा एडेड ऑन द कुकिंग पैन, है ना, वी यूजिंग इट इन द कुकिंग पैन फॉर कुकिंग अवर फूड. तो दैट इज ओनली 0.3%. दैट मच सॉल्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू कुक होल पैन ऑफ वेजिटेबल देयर and that is very very necessary. Without that common salt, we won't get a taste also, and we will not be able to digest that food. Last question is there. What is a mineral? Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substances with definable internal structure. They are homogeneous and naturally occurring substance, means we cannot produce it. It is available on the nature, in the earth, in the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and with definable internal structure. मीन्स कोल का इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो सेम ही रहेगा, है ना. कॉपर का जो है वो सेम ही रहेगा. इट वोंट चेंज. देयर इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर इज सेम फॉर एवरीवेयर. कोल का जो कार्बन इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है तो कार्बन ही रहेगा वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में. कॉपर का जो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर वो कॉपर ही रहेगा पूरे वर्ल्ड में. ओके, देन दिस मच इज देयर फॉर यू. प्लीज़ मार्क इट. ओके, थैंक यू.